Hello everyone. Myself Amit Kumar from Dynemech System Private Limited. We are manufacturing and providing the complete solution of anti-vibration solutions to all the industries since last 24 years. We are global supplier of anti-vibration mounts, screw support mount, Wedge Mount, DFL Series, membrane A spring, anti-vibration table, VHS series, SpringIsolator. We are happy to inform you that we are participating in IMTEX 2025, which is held at Bangalore. Our stall at hall number 3A, stall A128. This exhibition will be held from 23rd January to 29th January 2025. We are inviting you to join us at IMTEX 2025. Thank you.